So welcome back to Losing Weight with Lexi. If you watched my first video, I told you I'm starting the keto diet and I'm starting a new weight loss journey. It's nothing serious. I'm just trying to lose about 10 pounds. But yeah, you're coming on the journey with me. So I start every morning with some ISO tea. I drink this in a variety of different ways, but today I'm trying it with hot water. So I made it as a tea. I use 2 packets and then I drink that before I eat, 30 minutes before I eat breakfast. So now 30 minutes has passed and I'm hungry. And so now we're eating breakfast. I'm gonna make spinach eggs with cheese and some turkey bacon. This is my favorite butter, Smart Balance. It tastes so good. I use it to cook with everything. And voila. So right now, basically, I put the eggs in a bowl, a little bit of salt and pepper, cheese, and some spinach. Mixed it up, and now I'm frying it up. I already cooked the bacon, but we should all know how to cook bacon by now, right? I like my eggs. I'm very particular with my eggs. Like, I'm the only one who can make my eggs. Like, I like them a little wet. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like they're just so perfect every time. But cook your eggs how you like it. And that is your breakfast. So I have some turkey bacon and spinach eggs with cheese. And I'm drinking some seltzer water, kiwi strawberry. And this flavor actually tastes really good. And I got that from Rite Aid. So this is another meal. This is like a lunch. I'm eating minced beef with California veggies. So there's no carbs. And I'm now eating spinach. It's like a salad. Spinach with cheese, chicken, and 2 boiled eggs for protein. Now I have rice veggies. It's basically broccoli and cauliflower cut up. I'm eating a salad and some jerk chicken. And this is how the rice veggies look. I have rice veggies, then I have regular cauliflower cut up. It's basically the vegetables just cut up really small. It tastes really good. And for a snack, I'm eating ice cream. Yes, you can eat ice cream on the keto diet. Just count your carbs. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.